resident of Western New York, and as the publisher of InFisherman magazine, the worldwide leader in freshwater fishing coverage, I'd argue with anybody that tells me that they think there's better freshwater fishing somewhere else in this country. If you like bass fishing, we've got it. If you like trolling for salmon, brown trout, steelhead, lake trout, we've got that in spades too.
I've never seen this room this full, and I've been fishing this tournament since its existence. So thank all of y'all for coming.
This is the first leg of the North Carolina Billfish series.
Yeah, I need a rope. 547.
Level 4 and level 7, first place biggest blue marlin. Anybody ever hold a bull Tolson? Sea toy? Anybody ever heard of sea toy? Come on, bull! Sea toy! Again, thank you guys so much for coming. We look forward to seeing you again soon.
$557.3. 557.3.
It was beautiful. It was pretty. Came in off the teeter, went right back onto the short, ate it running away, and just screamed all the way down. And then we fought it for 40 something minutes.
This is going to go to the first place, level 3, largest blue marlin over 400 pounds. The Christina Marie is going to walk away with $176,800. All right, this is it, showstopper. First place, level 1 billfish. First place, level 2 most billfish. First place, level 4 most release points. First place lady angler on there for the kingfish, winning $124,175 to the Marsh Madness crew, Captain Shane Bradford. Get up here and get this thing.
Saturday's one of those days we couldn't do no wrong. I mean, we had the right crew, the whole 9 yards. Everything worked out perfect. I don't know, there's no words I can describe it. I mean, I'd love to do it. I've wanted to tournament a few times before, but to do it with my son in the cockpit with me, it's just no words to describe it.
Rough weather, but we had 9 boats fishing, and overall we had 10 blue marlin and 1 white marlin.
We had a great year, rough weather, 2 days of fishing, and like Wiggs said, had a pretty good blue marlin bite, had a white marlin caught, we had a wahoo. We're excited, aren't we, Wiggs, for the party we're about to have? First place this year goes to the General Captain Max Weaver for $7,650.
pull my fish mapping app up on my phone. I found a spot off of Ocracoke Inlet where our hard temperature break was. And it was at 9:33. I remember it to this day. I'll never forget it. It was 9:33 p.m. I found that spot, screenshot it. I said, that's where we're going to start in the morning. Got on the boat the next morning. First bait goes out, and our first king of the day skied like 8 feet out of the air, and that turned out to be the 53-pounder. It was just a phenomenal day, and everything come together. God shined on us that day, and everything came together.
Hello everybody, it's Jared Vischer with Burnowin. We're here at ICAST 2024. I kind of want to just give you a layout of the Burnowin product, or I should say Burnowin system for your boat.
I'm Sid Reeves. I'm the sales and marketing manager for Spro Corp. This is the Marfix C3 reel. We also have the Marfix N4 version 2. This is more of the leaf, flat-sided jig right here. This is our Nano Alpha technology. It's actually 2 times slicker than traditional hook coatings, and it's 4 times more corrosion resistant.
How's it going, y'all? Anthony Alvarez here at Power Pole, talking about our brand new long shaft offshore move trolling motor. Y'all check it out, Power Pole Move Offshore Edition. You'll be able to place orders here immediately. Expect to see them before the end of the year. Thank you.
I know everybody's enjoying themselves, getting themselves something to eat, getting something to drink on this first day of the 21st annual Carolina Boat Builders Tournament. Man, what a turnout.
And I appreciate your attention just a few minutes. I'm really thrilled that I have this opportunity to get up here and say just a few words about my very good friend and fellow boat builder, Dean Johnson.
This is for the first place winner take all top boat in the Taylor Harrison Perpetual Trophy. And it goes to the Horseplay. We're gonna wrap it up. Jennifer and Nancy want to thank everybody, all of the volunteers. We appreciate all of you for taking part in the Carolina Boat Builders Tournament. Thank you all.
I'm Bruce Rader, and on behalf of our Board of Directors, I want to welcome you all to the official 21st annual Virginia Beach Billfish Tournament. I am ready to announce the champions, releasing 7 billfish at a check for $434,900 from Antioch, North Carolina, G-Troy! Thank you for coming, and congratulations to all of our winners.
On behalf of the U.S. Open King Mackerel Tournament Board of Directors and the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, welcome to the 46th Annual U.S. Open King Mackerel Tournament.
$35.30. Enter.
It was good. It was getting a little rough, but it was good. Hopefully we have a winning fish. Hoping so.
Great time with my grandboys. Yeah, absolutely. We had a great time. They were great all day. Never complained. Got it for 4 o'clock. Still going strong.
All right, for the final prize of the night, in first place, weighing in at 41.85 pounds, and first place in the general TWT, William Zarin on Fin Z out of Southport, $44,678. Congratulations. Okay, everybody, thank you so much. This one's in the books. We'll see you next year. Thank you.
Oh man, it was nautical. It was rough. Hey, it's hard to find them, but we found them.
Fishing in a 25 contender, 42.45. Our first place 2024 Rumble in the Jungle winner, Team Kill Switch, Captain Joseph Saunders, for total winnings of $78,460.
First place, winner take all pot liquor, paid $45,000 for $111,122.50. Team OIFC, Brant McMullen. Look forward to our 12th season next year. We'll get the schedules out as soon as possible. And thank you all. What a great morning, and thank you all for your participation and being here.
Hello everybody, it's Jared Bishop with Burnham. It is such an honor to be here in Biloxi, Mississippi with the SKA and Team Forgiven.
Good afternoon, I'm Brian with Garmin. We're here at the SKA Nationals here in Biloxi, Mississippi, going over some of our products that we have here on display at the weigh-in.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Matthew, I'm with Garmin, and I'd like to show you our new J-Audio Jeep.
Pretty nice little ride out, hit the trough, and then we came in, had the fish hooked up about 11:30, left about 12:15, and then took a miserable ride back in.
Spot was on fire.
Yeah, we saw about a 60 or 70 jump on one of our baits, so we were just happy to get that one. It worked out real well.
Our open class SKA Nationals champs, Team 1 Lucky Daddy, with Captain Brian Richburg. that concludes our award ceremony. As you've seen, we've awarded some great anglers, some great teams. This is a wrap on Biloxi this year. Thank you for joining us tonight, and we'll see you soon.